Hello great team, once more I take this opportunity to welcome you to Technical Drawing Solutions. This is Mr. Rogers Opande. Today, or before I start, kindly subscribe to this channel. Let's support each other. So today we want to look at an orthographic question, and it's this figure that is shown here. So its question is not here, but I'll just read it. The figure below shows a machine block, full stop. Draw full size in first angle projection each of the following views. We have a front elevation as viewed in the direction of arrow F, and this is our arrow F, so we'll view our front elevation from that end. Then we have our end elevation as viewed in the direction of arrow E. Then lastly we have part C, the plan. Then the examiner completes it by saying insert any 3 dimensions. Good. So now here we go. We'll start with the front view. We will start with the front view. So let me just make a line like that of reference. It's not that much visible because this is a construction line. So these are construction lines. That's why they are not that much visible. So I'll make that line like that. We want to start our front elevation from this side here. So when we see our front elevation, we will be seeing this face here. So that's the face that we will be seeing. So that's what we will be drawing. So the whole length of this block here is 60 plus 20 plus 40. We can just measure them in bits. It's no harm. So we measure 60, then measure 20, then a 40. So I measure my 60. That is it. I come here, I make an arc. Then I measure my 20. That is it. So from here to here I have a 20. Then I measure a 40. Distance of 40. So all these dimensions are in millimeters. So we divide by 10. We measure 4 centimeters. That is. So on reaching there, this line from here to here is very much visible. So I'll just draw the whole line. So it's an easy equation, very easy. So it has 20 marks. So after reaching there, at those points, I'll just make lines in 2H, construction lines. I make construction lines like that. I make a construction line like that. So after drawing that, we have a height from here to here of 35. So I will measure 35. I will measure 35. Come with it here and make an arc there. Then on that one, I'll draw a line that is visible upwards. That point. Then this side also, we have a distance of 35. Here is also 35. So I can even take this line here with a 2H pencil. Take it just to go to that side like that. So we have this line from here to here as our 35. That is it. So I'll draw it. I'll draw it there. Yeah. Then the distance from here to here is 40, and we had indicated it here. So we have a line from here to here which has a distance of 40. So I just take this one here and draw that line here. So that line is 40. Then it goes up by 35. So I measure at 35, come with it here, make an arc there. So that is my 35. Then I'll draw the line from here to here. So I'll draw that line from there to there like that. Then it will come inwards by a distance of 40. So a distance of 40. So let me just draw a line here like this and measure distance of 40. I measure 40 distance like that. Come with the distance here, make it there like that. So that distance of 40, I draw the straight line. That is it. Then on reaching that distance of 40, it comes down from here to here. So that one is not measured, we just drop it down. So we'll just drop it down from there downwards like that. Good, that is it. Then now we have measured this distance here. I'm talking about this distance from here to here, which is 60. So from here to here is 60. Then from here to here is 20. Then we'll draw this circle of diameter 25. So we'll measure a height of 20 from here. So I measure a height of 20. I will measure a height of 20. So this is my height of 20. Make a mark there. Draw a center line to indicate that that is a circle. So I will indicate that center line like that. Then I'll draw a circle of diameter 25. So the radius is 25 divided by 2. That is 22.5. So I have it's 12.5. 12.5. That is it. Then I come here and draw that circle like that. And that is the end of it. So this is what we have as our front view. So the next thing, we want to draw this plan. So all axes on this front elevation will be brought down. So we have this edge. These edges will be brought down in terms of a line, a straight line, a construction line. That is the edge of this circle here. We'll also bring it down here. The edge of this side of the circle, we bring that one down like that. We have that one, we had already brought it. That is it. So we jump a distance of 30, then we start drawing our plan. A distance of 30 like that. From this drawing to this drawing, I want to jump that distance of 30. Then now we want to see the lines. We have this line from here to here, from here to here, and from here to here. So it's all visible. This side the same. It's all visible. Then we have this 1, 2, 3, 4. So all those lines will be visible. So first of all, let us start with this uppermost part here, which is visible from this end. I know that we are not learning from scratch, so that's why I'm fast when doing this. Then we have a length from here to here, which is 30. This width from here to here, it is 30. So we measure a 30, distance of 30. We come with it here, we bring it down there. Then also I draw it. So I will also draw it like that. So now let us start drawing the lines that I was saying. So a line from here to here, which is visible. Here it is. So it is here. So good. We have a line from here to here at this edge. So it's at this edge here. So that line, we have brought it here, so it is visible at this point. Then we have a line from here to here, which is this one. It's visible from here to here. That is it. Then lastly, we have this line here, the last part, the line from here to here. So that is the last part of the drawing, and that is it. Now when we see from the upper part, we have a hole here of diameter 25. When we see from up, we will not be seeing it, but it is hidden in this block here. So what we will do, we will draw it in hidden detail lines when we see it from the plan. So we will just follow it. It is this cylinder, this circumference and this circumference of the cylinder. So we just bring this set square to that point, and it is from here. So when we are in this drawing, it will be hidden completely. That is it. And another edge of it is here, so it will be hidden like that. So that is all about the plan. So we are done with the plan. Now let us look at the last part. We want to see what we can see when we see the end elevation. So the end elevation is viewed from this arrow here. What are we going to see when we see from the end elevation? That is what I want to project to this side of the drawing. So when projecting, I said we use this set square of 45. So I will take these two edges, because we only have two edges here. So they are the only ones that I just take there. I just take them to that side like that. So now, that is it. So when we see this, I want to put in a way that you can see it. When we see here, we can see the distance from here to here. So that distance, I will just draw it here like that. Then we'll be seeing this line and this line, this line and this line. So we will bring the straight lines from those edges. Then we put this guide horizontal line to go to that direction. So that one will be visible in this manner. We scroll this set square to this point. Then we draw straight lines from that place to this place up there. Here also, in reaching this point, we'll just take a straight line from here upwards to that point there. That is it. Then we will see this line and this line. So those two lines will be seen. It's this line and this line. So I come here, I draw that line. I come here, I'll draw that line like that. Lastly, we have a through hole there, which is not visible. It's inside. So we just draw the circumference of this circle. We bring it to this side. The circumference at the upper part also, we bring it to this side. And when it's in this side now, when we want to represent it in this drawing, it's inside, so it's hidden. What does that mean? We use hidden detail lines here. So we will use hidden detail lines like that, and also use hidden details on that line like that. And that is now what was required. Then lastly, the examiner said that we should insert 3 dimensions. Insert any 3 dimensions. When they say any 3, what I want us to do is we can give dimensions on all drawings. This drawing have one, this one, and this one. We want to represent these dimensions in every drawing. So this drawing, I just take the whole of this length. We jump a distance of 1. We make a straight line like that. Then an arrowhead to show that it's a dimension line. Then the whole of it was 60 plus 40 plus 20. That is 120. So I write here 120 at the middle of the drawing. Then I am done with this one. Let me now dimension this lower part here. Because they said any, I want to give the dimension of that that cylinder that is inside there, that hole. which has got a diameter of 25. So I'll indicate here a diameter of 25 at the center. Then we have this drawing here. I think I can just take this part here, or even the whole of it. So I jump a distance of 1 to this side. Then I'll draw a straight line upwards like that. Then I put my arrowhead like this. Then indicate it was 35 plus 35, which is 70. So at the middle, I write my dimension of 70. So this is what the question required, and the question had 20 marks. So I thank you for watching. If you have not subscribed, kindly do. And most welcome Technical Drawing Solution. Until we meet again, God loves you. Thank you.